Welcome back to TYUKiTV. Welcome to the Philippines. In this episode, we're not going to have any driving lessons. There are a lot of things to consider every time you take a vacation from one country to another. One is your gadgets or your equipments. It has to be protected. Usually yung volts natin dito sa Philippines is 220. Yung mga dala naming gamit is 110 kasi galing from the States. Ang mga saksakan dito, not unless pinasadya na talaga. Okay, so what do we need? We need a converter. So yun muna ang hanapin natin para hindi masira yung mga gadgets natin, especially laptops, our GoPros. Every time we need to charge, kailangan hot. Grabe init. Grabe init sa Pinas. Kung sa Daly City naka-jacket kami all year round, dito sobrang init. Lucky enough, yung place natin is sa barrio, kaya medyo malamig-lamig pa ng konti. Mrs. O doesn't have any air conditioning. It's alright. There's nothing to worry about. Need to rehydrate every single time just to keep up with the heat. It's really hot in the Philippines right now. Also need to register Mrs. O. Okay, she has expired this May ang kanyang registration. So unahin muna natin yon. We are on our way now sa LTO para sa renewal ng registration ni Mrs. O. This is TYUKiTV. Please join us. Let's go! plan was we will be having 50 road trips because Mrs. O is turning 50 this year. Unfortunately, we did not make it in time. Meaning, it's already good to go, but Mrs. O had a top overhaul. We need to break in the car. Kailangan muna nating kuskusin yung ating mga pistons. Kailangan muna nating i-break in yung ating makina. Hindi rin natin pwedeng basta-basta na lang harurutin or else magiging madali yung buhay nung pinalit nating pyesa. So in order for us to be assured that there would be a good result is for us to have a proper break-in, which is soft break-in. Well, most of the episodes will be traveling light. Wala tayong mga rat-rata for the meantime. Finally, tapos na ating registration. Now we can go anywhere dahil registered na siya. Hindi na tayo magdadalawang isip na bumiyahe because we have an expired registration. So we're good to go. Grabe, super init sa Pinas. Totally different atmosphere, totally different climate sa Daly City. Grabe ang init. Although kahit pa paano it's manageable. Ramdam mo lang talaga na it's really hot, as if you're near an oven. Para ka nagluluto. Sobrang init. Pero it's alright. Mrs. O provides a lot of air. You just have to make sure na you have to drink a lot of water every time you're out. Kasi ngayon at this time it's 3 p.m. so talagang kalakasan ng init. It's not advisable to go out, but since I had to do something outside, we don't have a choice. Here in the Philippines, if you are really in that situation where it really gets hot, you can always trust halo-halo to do its part. ng gasolina. Yung hangin, alikabok, lahat. Just like riding a motorcycle, wind in your face. Thank you for joining us. This is TYUKiTV. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the videos to help us out. Until next time, bye for now.